Horizontal push switch. In this video, we will show you how to solder a horizontal push switch. Use the markings on the PCB to ensure you have got it the right way round. The switch should be facing out from the PCB. With this component, you should not bend the legs. If you have more than one to do, it is often easier to solder them one at a time. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder two of the legs in opposite corners to the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. This should hold the component in place. Turn the board over and check that it is still flat. It is difficult to reposition the component once all the legs are soldered, so it is good practice to check. Solder the rest of the legs to the solder pads in turn. Because the legs are close to each other, make sure to not create a short circuit while soldering and that each joint is separated from another. You can use a magnifying glass to check if you are unsure.